I'm Thomas DiMaria. I'm the head of U.S. Business Development for ReiThera. I think EU CDMO such as ReiThera is well positioned to help a U.S. client diversify their supply chain, and also our experience with the EU quality control systems could certainly help a client move their projects forward. Our track record has been validated by, our current clients, both with, NGOs that we work with as well as, US biotechs. I think to be proactive with ReiThera is to get in touch with us at a trade show or a conference event. For companies or clients that are looking for partnerships, they can meet us at trade shows or conferences, or we would love to meet them here in Rome as well. We are excited to start new projects and to meet new clients.